The Stone Age ended not because they ran out of stone, but because the new technologies and new tools like bronze tools were developed. Likewise, our fossil fuel age will end not because we will run out of oil, but because the new technologies are coming. Renewable sources of energy are becoming cost effective, and they bring so much co-benefits. When you use renewable energy, you fight climate change, you mitigate climate change, you reduce the emissions of greenhouse gases. Also, when you use renewables, air gets cleaner and other forms of pollution are reduced. Also, there are new jobs. There's a green economy coming and delivering much more than the old-fashioned economy. And also, last but not least, when you use renewables, you become energy independent. So it's from geopolitical view, you're resisting other geopolitical shocks.